中非跨国家庭生活在澳洲，一家人来到墨尔本著名的海边游玩。早上给一家人做了我拿手的法式薄松饼，老公孩子都说可以直接出摊了。今天来做一个那个薄的法式松饼，很好吃。上次去那个大吉吃的，然后回来给解锁了。把这个面糊调得很稀，因为它是那个薄的松饼。把这个烧好的黄油浇到里面去，面糊大概是这种程度，你知道吧？就像水一样的。
Can this chef be patient? I love this coffee, so creamy. Okay, there's no.
Too much macaroni. That's not enough.
I think he can compete with that shop. So delicious.
Maybe you can go to the Sunday market and make the same shop right next to it. 不好。好说。我先好好去收拾一下，我们就出门了。这澳洲跟国内一样，正换季呢。底妆老是卡粉起皮，还一蹭就掉。用了上次回国化妆师推荐的芭比控油定妆喷雾之后，底妆就变得服帖爬脸，又亮又透的，光泽感还蹭不掉。要有这种效果，一定多喷几层定妆喷雾，等几秒成膜，纸巾咋拍都不脱妆了。黑衣服白衣服都不怕蹭上粉。看底妆特别完整，彩妆之后再喷3圈，等成膜去海边玩水也不怕脱妆啦。纸巾干干净净的。底妆卡粉帮补还脱妆的，一定要试试芭比的定妆喷雾，手机上直接搜就有。头发还用那个发胶了是吧
No, my hair's always like this. I'm so hot. I would take this.
三米九还喜欢吃韩国的口味。
Oh no, I would take two. I would take this one, this one.
Pepper or spicy?
You have to choose one too.
No, okay.
宝宝 left again.
给他买一个吧，给自己买这个，买一包瓜子吧。
Baba, down after the beach. We're next to the beach, right?
This road finally fixed.
我们到了。
Sam, you come here to eat. 哈迪，看这是什么？
这个辣吗？
有一点点辣。
我不想吃了。in this wood.
Okay.
All these seagulls like make me uncomfortable watching us like hogs. All of them looking at us. Look.
No.
But they look at me.
A woman with a baby went onto the bus. The bus driver said, "Ugh, that's the ugliest baby I've ever seen." The woman, angry, sat down next to a passenger and said, "The driver just insulted me." The man said, "Okay, go get him back. I'll hold your monkey for you."
What the hell was that joke? What the hell was that joke? But I'm gonna go to the beach. I did the bus trip.
走吧，我们去那边玩吧。
We are going to travel back.
快点，跟着我。
看带妆大半天，这妆还是牢牢的扒在脸上，一点都没脱。芭比的定妆喷雾，你们一定要去试哦。
Done.
The trap's done?
Yeah.
Okay, let me fall for the trap.
3, 2, 1, go!
You do race. So why ask?
Can I buy ice cream?
我们去买点东西吧。
Wow, this is one of the most comfiest chairs.
为什么起床了呢 What do you want?
Sir,
Coffee?
Honey, can I try some of your bubblegum?
No.
this was Egypt. They will charge you extra for sitting near the beach like that.
There's more ice creams like this though.
How's your coffee?
ما تبصر.
Oh my.
This is gigantic. Okay, makes sense. Alright. Let's begin.
I feel what?
Chuladen.
How's it?
I love strawberry.
So I want to eat it, but since I'm a kind brother, I'm gonna let Hattie eat it. It's just so weird.
Just eat with the spoon. Do you have to eat it like that?
Honey, can I go one? Please. Please.
Take some.
Some.
Some!
Yummy.
What am I?
I have to check everyone before you get into my BYD one by one. Anyone who's dirty, hand dirty, clothes dirty, they will stay at the beach. I will go home by myself.
It's like inspection.
Sami nervous? Hadi nervous?
We'll stay in the beach with no food and no money. And then when the mud comes out, sharks will come up to the water.